thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, southeastern Cook County in north-central Texas, southwestern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sanger, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sanger and Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch around 12:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois around 12:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pilot Point and Aubrey around 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Salina around 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gunter around 12:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Van Alstyne, Howe, and Dorchester around 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Ethel, Tioga, Roadrunner, Oak Point, Lois, Elmont, Providence Village, Ponder, Stony, and Lake Ray Roberts. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 485. Interstate 35W between mile markers 79 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 457 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, southwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, northern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Springtown, or near Briar, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Azle, Briar, and Reno around 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Eagle Mountain, Pecan Acres, and Pelican Bay around 12:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rome and Haslett around 12:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fort Worth around 12:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. North Lake around 12:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Flower Mound, Keller, and Roanoke around 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Trophy Club around 12:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. South Lake, Double Oak, and Bartonville around 12:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Peaster, Keeter, Westlake, Agnes, Lake Worth, Lakeside, Newark, Dish, Sanctuary, and Highland Addition. This includes Interstate 35W between mile markers 53 and 78. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can... Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 286, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bosque, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, and Tarrant. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north central Texas, south central Cook County in north central Texas, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:01 p.m. Central Light Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Crumpton near North Lake, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Denton, Flower Mound, Sanger, Crum, Argyle, Double Oak, North Lake, Bartonville, Copper Canyon, and Corral City around 1:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Corinth, Highland Village, and Hickory Creek around 1:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Dallas, Shady Shores, and Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch around 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Aubrey, Krugerville, Crossroads, and Ray Roberts Park Isle Dubois around 1:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Little Elm and Pilot Point around 1:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Frisco, Prosper, and Saline around 1:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Roadrunner, Valley View, Point, Lois, Providence Village, Westlake, Ponder, Stony, Lake Ray Roberts, and Lewisville Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 487. Interstate 35W between mile markers 62 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 400.
Area on WBAP. Programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing flash flood warnings for northwestern Collin, southeastern Cook, northern Denton County, and Grayson County until 4:30. Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms producing intense rainfall across those counties. Flash flooding is either ongoing or imminent. Once again, flash flood warning for northwestern Collin County, southeastern Cook County, northern Denton County, and for Grayson County until 4:30. Doppler radar indicates heavy rain with thunderstorms across those counties. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing new severe thunderstorm warnings for southeastern Denton County, northeastern Tarrant County, and northwestern Dallas County until 2:45. A severe thunderstorm is located over South Lake, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Additional severe thunderstorm warnings are in effect for northern Collin County until 2:45. And a tornado watch is in effect for the entire area until 8 this evening. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for southeastern Denton, northeastern Tarrant, and northwestern Dallas counties until 2:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Collin County in north central Texas, southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Plano, Garland, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Grapevine, Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, Sandsea, Corinth, Highland Village, Addison, and Lake Dallas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, northeastern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Allen, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Plano, Allen, Murphy, Fairview, Lucas, and Parker around 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wiley around 3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lowry Crossing around 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Farmersville around 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Altoga, Branch, St. Paul, Lake Ray Hubbard, Levon Lake, Josephine, New Hope, Levon, Buckingham, and Copeville. This includes Interstate 30 between mile marker 65 and 79. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north central Texas, east central Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Mineral Wells, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mineral Wells around 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cool around 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Weatherford around 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hudson Oaks and Lake Weatherford around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Willow Park around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hazel around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Brock Junction, Peacer, Dennis, Annetta South, Bennett, Offen, Millsap, Garner, Tintop, and Brazos. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 389 and 422. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.